Hi everyone, in today's video I will be talking about theorem based on cyclic groups. So let's get started. The theorem says every cyclic group is abelian. The converse is not necessarily true. Here we have to show that cyclic group is abelian. First of all, what do you mean by cyclic group? Cyclic group is nothing but a group which is generated by a single element, right? So it is a group and it is generated by a single element. Here we have to show that this cyclic group is abelian. It is already satisfying all the properties of group because it is a group. Here we have to show that this cyclic group is abelian. For the cyclic group to be abelian, it should satisfy commutative law. Okay, it is a group, it is satisfying all the properties of group. We have to show that this group is abelian. For the group to be abelian, it should satisfy commutative law. Here we have to show that this cyclic group is satisfying commutative law. What do you mean by commutative law? If x comma y belongs to z, then x dot y is equals to y dot x, right? So let's get started. For the group to be cyclic, it should be generated by a single element, right? So let G is equals to A. That means this A is generating the entire group G. B, a cyclic group generated by a single element. By a single element A. Okay. In the previous video, I have solved one example. G is equals to 1 minus 1 I comma minus I, right? The generator of this G 1 comma minus 1, the generator of this group is I or minus I. Okay, here I am considering I is the generator. If I is the generator, then you take the integral powers of I power 1, I power 2, I power 3, I power 4, I power 1 is I square is minus 1, I cube is minus I power 4 is 1. So we are getting entire group G, right? Now assume x comma y belongs to G. These two are arbitrary. Let us take this x comma y belongs to G. Okay. Now observe this example. Integral power of generator is equals to some element in group, right? Now integral power of generator I power 1 is equals to I. This is one element in G, right? So likewise, now x will be equal to integral power of generator, right? And y also will be equal to integral power of generator for some integer m comma n. For the group to be commutative, x dot y should be equal to y dot x, right? Now take the dot product x into y. Okay, x is a power m, y is a power n. A power m into a, if bases are same, powers can be added, a power m plus n. Now split this, a power n into a power m, we can write, right? Now a power n is y, a power m is x. So we have got x y is equals to yx. So this group is satisfying commutative law. So G is abelian. Cyclic group G is abelian. So we have proved this. Now let's prove the converse part. What is the converse part? Every abelian group need not be cyclic. Okay, we have to consider one set and that set is abelian. Okay, and we have to show that that abelian group is not cyclic. Now I am considering one set. V4 is equals to E, A, B, C. Under binary operation multiplication. Okay, here binary operation is multiplication. Now I am constructing a composition table in such a way that it should satisfy all the properties of abelian group. Okay, now I am constructing a multiplication table. Here binary operation is multiplication. Now construct a composition table. E, A, B, C. Next E, A, B, C. This table should be constructed in such a way that it should satisfy all the properties of abelian group. Okay, now E into E is E, next E into A is A, E into B is B, E into C is C, right? If identity element is multiplied to any element, we will get the same element, right? So next A into E is A. Now look at this. A dot B is equals to closure law. If A comma B belongs to some element group G, then their dot product should also belongs to the same group. Likewise, here A comma B belonging to V4. Likewise, A dot B should also be belong to V4. This is the condition of closure law, right? So let's take A dot B is equals to C. Okay, A dot B is equals to some value, that value is equals to C. Okay, so A dot B is equals to C. Next, A dot C is equals to some element in this V4. Let's take this as B. Okay, now next coming to this, A into A, existence of inverse property. A into A inverse is E, right? Like now let's take inverse of A is A only. Okay, next then A into A is A square. A square is E, right? A into A is E. Okay, next coming to B into E. B into E is B. B into A is some element. Let's take this as C. Next B into B, B square. B square is E. Next B into C, some element A. Next C into E is C, same element. C into A, some element. C into A, take B. Now C into B, which element is remaining? A. So A. Next C into E, say C is E. Now we have constructed a table that in such a way that it should satisfy all the properties of groups, abelian group. Okay, now we have to show that this abelian group is not cyclic. Now let's take this element E, first element of V4. Now take the integral powers of E. E power 1 is E, E square is also E, E cube is also E. We are getting E only, but we are not getting another elements A, B, C. So E is not a generator of this group. Now take A power 1 is A, we have got. Next A square is, observe this composition table, A into A is E, we have got E. Next A cube is nothing but A square into A, right? A square is E into A, E into A is A. Now A power 4 is A square into A square is E into E, E into E is E, and then goes on. We are getting only A, E, but we are not getting other elements. We are not getting B, we are not getting C. So A is also not a generator. Now take B. Take the integral powers of B. B power 1 is B. B square is E. See, B into B, E only. Next B cube. B cube is nothing but B square into B. B square is E into B. E into B is B. Next B power 4 is B square into B square. B square is E. E into E is E. So we are getting B, E, and we are not getting A and C. So this is also not a generator. Likewise C. Now take the integral powers of C. C power 1 is C. C square is E, right? Next C cube. C cube is C square into C. C square is E into C. E into C is E. C power 4 is C square into C square. C square is E into E. So we have got CE. But we are not getting A and B. So C is also not a generator. A is not a generator. B is not a generator. E is also not a generator. So no element is generating the set V4. So hence the group V4 under binary operation multiplication is not a cyclic group. I hope you understood this theorem. In the next video we will discuss another theorem. Thanks for watching.